going to agree to that.
Srijit is
I'm not
debating
going to
now,
agree to that. You can ask genuine questions to me. I may be able to answer it. The thing is, I told you before, there is a serious problem for the draft.
That it has invalidated the law, which is controversial. Whereas the reality is that the law is still live.
Clear stand on it.
We are talking about an ordinance
will not go. That is the decision being taken. You should accept that. Why don't you accept that point?
And now that cannot be repealed by a statement or a Facebook post of the chief minister. There is a procedure that is laid out in the rules of business.
That procedure will be duly followed, Mr. Regent. Don't worry about it.
That
procedure will be duly followed. You should not worry about it. I am guaranteeing you that state government will ensure that it will be.
And the second point, Arnab, you mentioned about the hypocrisy of the party. Let me expose that hypocrisy tonight. The thing is that this is even more draconian, even more anti-national, even more unconstitutional, and even more anti-democratic. Basically because this actually combines elements from the now defined 66A and also the 118D, and it combines both of them into a law and makes it cognizable. So what is cognizable? Even if there is no complainant, the police can take a case on its own. And against who? It says against someone who is actually defaming or humiliating a person or class of persons. Now what is class of persons? It is not defined anywhere. So it is arbitrarily decided by a police officer.
Make it a complicated issue. Let me be very clear that there are problems for the draft. That will be withdrawn. That is clear.
Persons who are following the communist ideology, then any person who is actually criticizing the CPM goes to jail. He is booked. He is arrested. Is this the law? Is this what is guaranteed by the Constitution under Article 91A?
You have been criticizing the state.
It's all right, we can.
Let me tell Lal, before the Lok Sabha polls, the CPM had come up with an election manifesto. In the manifesto, they had claimed that they would repeal the criminal defamation section and also the sedition section. So what it has done now is it has revived two defunct laws and made a constitutional and unconstitutional law, which is even more dangerous to the society. And this is actually giving the powers to the police to take suo moto action.
I would agree
and
to your point.
For the simple fact that the police always is controlled by the state government, this is actually something which the state will use to slaughter all the in the state.
You see, Lal and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, Lal Kumar and Srijit, may I intervene with a small point tonight? Srijit, if I may.
It is not doing that. So this is
hypocrisy. Srijit and Lal, you are both good debaters. You're both
hypocrisy on three different.
You are both good debaters. You are both good debaters. You represent two sides of the political spectrum in the great state of Kerala. I appreciate the quality of the debate with both of you. Okay, Srijit Panikkar is back on the debate right now with Kevin, please. Savio, give way to Srijit Panikkar, please. Srijit wants to also respond to Kevin.
Kevin is misrepresenting facts.
Srijit Panikkar responding to Kevin tonight.
Please.
Yeah, Arnab, Kevin is misrepresenting facts. There is no direct intervention of judiciary in this until a particular point. That is why I said the law is actually cognizable. The offense becomes cognizable. Sir, therefore, even without a complainant, the police can take case. The police can arrest somebody. That is the problem with it. And then you have to go to a court and then you have to prove that it was unintentional, that you did not intend malice. Isn't this against the right to speech that is guaranteed by the Article 19A, 191A? Absolutely. The problem here is always controlled by the state government. The state government can actually book any people who are actually raising voice against its own leaders and even party as a whole, because there is a categorization that a class of people. So if a police officer defines CPM as a class of people who follow communism, any criticism on CPM, you are booked, you are jailed, you are arrested. And